Okay, Laura, where am I now? Laura, you've got to stop sending me to such crowded places. You know what? I really appreciate you saying that because I really should have my own transportation device. I didn't think of that before, but it'd make everything so much easier instead of just going random places with giant crowds.
You know, I'm wondering what Dino is really up to.
You know what? This is done. Let's check. Hey, Dino!
Dave, come on, you know I'm building a weapon here.
Sorry, buddy. How's the weapon coming along?
Well, let me show you. Here is our photon torpedoes. And with a quick switch, Dave, fireball cannon. And now, 5 million gigawatts. Now, if you're hungry, we can cook just about anything you want, Dave.
Yeah, we sure can use that in our next battle.
Well, here's the problem. Lloyd and I have been working on this for over a week now, and we've only got the calibration stable at lower settings. Anything higher than what you're seeing, well, there's a potential for the gun to blow up in your hand. We need to get this over to Willi for further refinement. I'm afraid that we've kind of reached our limits of ability for ourselves.
How long till we can transport to Earth?
2 hours and 48 minutes.
Dino, will you be able to finalize the weapon by then?
I can't say for sure. Honestly, Willi needs to see this before we even have an estimate of time.
Take me into battle.
No, I need you on the ship to track the drones. Dino, Q and I will battle the drones. You take out the big guy.
Roger that. Turning it up to max.
Trust me, I'm ready.
Lore, now.